how to turn off comments notifications on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off comments notifications on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and now click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings, and now just click this one, notifications, and here you will find that comments. All you need to do is just click on it to turn it on, to turn it off, and that's it. This is of course, and that's how to turn off comments notifications. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.